for joining me. Welcome to TJ's Maths Clinic. Let's consider this question before us. If x plus p divided by x minus 1 all in bracket multiplied by x minus 3 all in brackets is equivalent to q divided by x minus 1 plus 2 divided by x minus 3, we are asked to find the value of p plus q. We have option A as minus 2b minus 1, c 0, of course d is 1. What's your thought about this question? Drop your answer in the comment section. But let's handle this together. Let's look at it together. First thing to do is to identify this question is from which topic. Of course, this is from partial fraction. We have compound fraction on the left, which was decomposed into this partial fraction as q divided by x minus 1 plus 2 divided by x minus 3. So let's see how we can find the value of p and q respectively. Let's write down the solution. We can use cover-up method or we use comparing the coefficient method. But I would love to use cover-up method. But cover-up method have limitation. We can only use this when we have linear factors like this. Let's find the LCM. The LCM, of course, will be x minus 1 and x minus 3. Let's multiply both the left-hand side and the right-hand side by the LCM. Multiply this by the LCM. Be left with x plus p equal, multiply this by the LCM. Of course, this will do away with this. We'll be left with q into x minus 3 plus, multiply this by the LCM. We'll be left with 2 into x minus 1. So this will be x plus p, or at this point we can say, let's say we want to eliminate q. When x is 3, what happened? How do we come about this 3? What we have in the bracket here is minus 3. Find the additive inverse of minus 3. That will be 3. So it means when x is 3, q of course will be 0. Let's substitute. That will be 3 plus p. Anywhere we see x now, we put p. We'll put 3 plus p will be equals to q into 3 minus 3 plus 2 into 3 minus 1. This will be 3 plus p will be equals to, this is 0. This will be 2. This will be 2 into, that's 4. Of course, it will be 4. Okay, let's find p. P now will be equals to 4 minus 3. And of course, p will be 1. Very important. So if p is 1, what can we do here? We can eliminate this side. When x is 1, what happened? Let's say when x is 1, let's substitute x as 1 into this. So we'll have 1 plus p will be equals to, we know our q now. Okay, no, we are looking for q. That will be q into 1 minus 3 plus 2 into 1 minus 1. Of course, this will be 0. We can rearrange it. This will be 1 plus p will be equals to 1 minus 3 is minus 2 times q. That will be minus 2 q. Our aim is to find q now. Okay? Let's find q. Since p is 1, we can substitute. That will be 1 plus 1 will be equals to minus 2q. Let's move here. We're almost there. We'll have 2 will be equals to minus 2q. Let's divide both sides by minus 2, such that q will now be equals to minus 1. But we are asked to find p plus q. We can conclude that p plus q now will be equals to p, of course, is 1 plus minus 1. Since our q is minus 1, what are we going to have? Of course, this will be 1 minus 1 and this will be equals to 0. That is option C. So the correct option is nothing but option C. So this is the solution to this question. Thank you for watching. Please do share this to your learned colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe to TJ's Maths Clinic for more interesting videos. God's willing, in my next video, we'll look at as many questions as we can from both elective mathematics and general mathematics. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.